It's been 20 years since OLH22 virus is here. And now we have the new civilization government. This was the name known as American Federal Provisional Government. Since Ohio Empire is struggling to enslaving the world, or even worse, every universe. There are so many zombies around the world, including the United States, since we almost killed them. And also the country nations are expected to join us, but not limited to half of Canada, Mexico, Australia, New Zealand, Philippines and even Indonesia, along with Japan and even South Korea. The Earth has become uninhabitable, so we decided to survive. As such, uninhabitable Earth has become dangerous to all life. Wearing a gas mask is recommended and it's required to prevent from OLH22 virus to infecting you. Since the face masks cannot be work and you can die. We hope you to join us and follow laws of the rules. It's just like the predecessor of US laws.